my channel. Today we are going to be making crawfish with potatoes for dinner. So if you want to learn how to make it, just keep watching. You will need 7 of these Idaho potatoes, and then this is a quarter of a onion, and then 2 butter sticks. So I cut the other ones already. I'm gonna cut this one for you guys. I'm just gonna cut it like this, and if you think these are too big, like this one, I think this one's a little big, you cut it into half. You cut this one in half, and then I will cut this one in quarters. And you guys can see all my potatoes, and we're gonna go to the stove. I already put my stove on, and I put some oil into the pan so we can do the onion. The only reason why I'm doing a quarter of the onion is because it just wants to get, you just want to give that a little flavor. And then I am just going to grab some garlic. While that's cooking. Turn it down a little bit because I'm trying to do the garlic, trying to peel the garlic. We'll go 1. And I am just going to do 2 cloves of garlic before I get burnt. since it is getting that crispy brown, I'm gonna put some butter in it. Oh, the house smells so good. Yes. So the reason why I'm putting butter in it is because I am going to be doing my potatoes. Oh, that smells so good. So when I cook, I always like to eat stuff. Right now, I am eating some cantaloupe and then just drinking my cup of ice with some orange juice. So whoever likes to cook and eat stuff at the same time, let me know in the comments down below if I'm not the only person. Hopefully I'm not the only person. I'm just going to get a lid because we are going to need it. Time for the potatoes. And I'm gonna cook these potatoes on medium high heat just because potatoes take longer to cook, and I don't want to have it not cook. So I'm just gonna cover it so the potato will cook. And we will check back on it. So after 15 minutes, we are going to check it. Oh my gosh. Woo, that was hot. That looks good. You guys see that? That looks really good. Okay, so I am going to be putting the crawfish in. I bought this at the Asian store. I believe this whole thing, this whole bag, was, I want to say $15, $12, $15. That is really good for crawfish. Since this crawfish we're just gonna put the lid back on. It is farm raised. It is boiled and seasoned already, so it has all that like good stuff in it already. So all you really have to do is make sure everything else is ready and then just put it in. And I also kind of thawed it, but it's still kind of frozen. So I am just going to put it in and stir it a little bit. Like this. if I can do it. And then we're just gonna cover it for about 15 minutes and then we will check back. So after about 12 minutes, I'm just gonna take a look at it. Looks yummy. Gonna give it a quick stir. And it looks like it's ready, so I'm just gonna shut it off. And I am just going to plate it and then we're gonna have dinner. That was really quick and easy. If you have any questions or any comments, just leave it in the comments below. If not, I will see you guys in the next video.